In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Webflow, a powerful tool for creating custom websites using a visual website builder. If you're ready to enhance your site with engaging video content, follow along as we walk through this easy process. First, head over to Webflow's official site where you can create or log into your account. If you're not already familiar with Webflow, it offers a variety of features that allow you to build responsive websites using their intuitive visual editor without needing advanced coding skills. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, you'll want to log into your account by clicking on the Login button. This will take you to your personalized workspace where we can start working on adding a video to your project. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard, which is essentially the command center for all of your Webflow projects. From here, click on the dashboard link to view all your available projects. If you're just getting started, you might have only one project listed, but for those with multiple sites, this is where you'll choose the one you'd like to work on. Now, locate and click on the specific project you wish to enhance with video content. This will open the project editor, where you have full control over your site's design and functionality. Next, it's time to delve into the Elements panel. Click on the Add Elements button, usually represented by a plus icon on the panel's left side. This section is crucial as it contains all the visual components you can add to your site, such as text blocks, images, and, of course, videos. In this vast array of elements, use the search bar to type in video, which will streamline your quest to incorporate multimedia by narrowing down the options provided. Once the video element appears in your search results, click on it to add it to your project. This action will place a placeholder on your canvas, indicating where your video will reside on your web page. With the video element now in place, let's move on to configuring its settings. Click on the video element you just added, then navigate to Video Settings, usually found in the Settings panel on the right. Here, you'll find various options allowing you to tweak how your video is displayed and behaves. To wrap up this process, you need the URL of the video you intend to feature. Copy the URL from your desired video platform, be it YouTube, Vimeo, or another service, and paste it into the designated URL field within the video settings. This action embeds the video onto your page, connecting the external content directly with your site. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a video into your Webflow project, enhancing the visual appeal and interactivity of your web page. Remember, adding video content can significantly boost user engagement, so consider this technique whenever you're looking to enrich your site.